For this video, the question is, I have had multiple Fmge attempts. What platform/video should I do? A good question. Many people do get confused about this. And for this, I have a very simple answer. No videos required. Okay? And no offline coaching required. Especially if you are stuck between 135 to 149 marks. If you are that a person who is getting around this marks from 135 to 149, you don't have to take any coaching, and I'll tell you why. If you start from today itself, okay, any platform, maybe you have around 6 months for your preparation to go, for them to teach you, if you're choosing an offline platform, they will take around 3 to 4 months to finish the whole thing. Okay, in this 3 to 4 months, if you're doing an offline platform, you also know going to the class, sitting there, eating, talking to friends, there is so much waste of time. So much means so much waste of time. Same thing in online thing, when you read and you watch the video, same thing again and again, you will get exhausted. There you will have burnouts, and again waste of time will be there. You are a person who have good amount of basics, but is not able to apply the questions properly. So what I would suggest you is, even if you have taken, maybe for example, you have 2 attempts already, one you chose from another platform, one from another platform, what you have to do is take the platform which you feel comfortable, in which you felt ki haan yaar, this notes were good. Okay, so take the platform which you feel the notes are good, first thing. Second thing is, revise that only. Talk to yourself about this and ask yourself, if I am sitting in a place where I'm comfortable studying and I have the same notes which I've already, basically, if you have given an attempt, you know that you have already revised that. So it's already a good thing that you're going to brush up those same skills again. You're going to brush up those same skills again, that also by yourself. You don't have to see someone, you don't have to wait for them to get it and end the topic and then you start. You'll start it right away. Right now, what you have to focus on is just revision, not learning anything new. And second thing is practicing PYQ. As I already told this multiple times, you have to focus on PYQs. 5 years of Fmge, 5 years of NEET PG, and 3 years of INIs. Only after doing these PYQs, then only think about any other question. Start practicing from the images from day 1 itself. And for your answer, I have already answered. Don't take any platform, don't take any videos. Just revise your notes and go on with practicing questions. Take care.